there, I'm your English coach, Christina, and welcome to Speak English with Christina, where you'll learn American culture and business know-how to become confident in English. Today, I want to help you get through some barriers with cold calls. And thank you to commenter Mitsubishi Hashimoto for this great suggestion. So, you need to call a company, but you're not sure what to say, and you're afraid to make a fool of yourself. You feel like your accent will make them hang up on you immediately. Don't worry, I'm here to help you unlock the full potential of great cold calls in English. Let's go. The key to a cold call that works is preparation. Learn everything you can about the company. What do they care about? Prepare your call. Don't be afraid to rehearse it, to practice it by yourself, and find a good time to make your call. Don't be like everyone else. Try to be your contact's first call of the day, for instance. In a cold call, your first words should be your contact's name, if possible. This way, you know you called the right number, and more importantly, they know that you're not a random robot. Then, you need to state who you are. Use your full name, your job title, and your company. Keep it friendly, but short, because this is not the part that you want to spend time on. Here's an example. Hi, Mrs. Johnson. This is Christina Robofe, and I'm the creator of the company Online Stock Limited. Your next sentence is your first main hook. Mention something that you know about the company and ask them to confirm it. Show that you've done your research. It signals that you're serious. You're not just a robot calling hundreds of companies a day. No. And now you're not talking about you, you're talking about them. And that's why they find you interesting. With that sentence, you're already above and beyond 99% of cold callers. Here's an example. I recently read on LinkedIn that you're expanding your online sales activities. Is that correct? Ask for the confirmation. That's important because it gets you a first yes, and it puts them in the mood of saying yes to you later on. This is the attention grabber that will break any language barrier that you might face. Give them a clear picture of the benefits that they'll get by working with you. And use precise benefits, concrete outcomes that they actually want, not vague improvements like better software or more money. Here's an example. Sounds like a good project. To help you succeed, my company could connect you with top social media influencers to give you a 1,200% return on investment in the first 2 weeks, for example. We're specialized in accelerating sales of online services, and I'm sure that's something you'd like to do, right? Try to connect it to your previous sentence. And again, close with a question that will get you another yes. This gets them involved in the conversation, and they'll be less ready to back off. Now, your contact knows that you're serious. There's no time to waste. State the real reason why you're calling and ask for what you want. Usually, you just want to get an appointment or to find out who to talk to. You're not trying to pitch or make a sale. Yet. If you want to go the extra mile, remind them of the concrete, precise benefit that they can get. Here's an example. Great. Could you tell me who's the best person that I should talk to see how our company can increase your sales? And here's another example. When could we make an appointment to talk about how our company could increase your sales? Now you're ready to make any cold call in English much more effective. Remember, do your homework. State your contact's name and yours. Get a first yes. Describe a concrete benefit they want and ask. And you're done. To help you even more, I wrote down a full written script for an effective cold call that you can copy, paste, and adapt and use as you want. You'll find it on my website in the blog post for this episode with the full lesson and transcript. Just click on the link below this video. Now, of course, there are other ways that you can get the most out of your networking or how to convince people who say no all the time, but we'll get to that in a future episode if you're interested. Now, tell me, how would your first cold call sound like? Write yours down in the comments, and you can leave out your real name if you want. Now, if you want to immediately understand 12 everyday expressions that Americans say fast, get my free pronunciation and comprehension lesson with exercises. Just click the image below. And of course, subscribe to my channel so you get a new English lesson each week. Thanks for watching Speak English with Christina, and I'll see you next time.